Hello dear traders, today is the 21st of May, Tuesday. I'm online again with a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. As for the news flow, there are no important events today. However, tomorrow the United States will issue an existing home sales report and the FOMC meeting minutes. What is more, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will announce its key rate decision. Let us switch to trading charts. Gold prices updated yearly highs. Since gold is a trend instrument, it may climb even to new peaks. On the daily time frame, we can see an ABC pattern, which was successfully worked out. By the way, inside the structure, there was one more ABC pattern. All these created favorable conditions for swing traders. The euro-dollar pair slightly discouraged traders as it failed to hit and test the buy zone. However, the pair is likely to break the area below 1.08838. Those who prefer long orders should pay attention to the swing low area below 1.0864. Yesterday, the pound-dollar pair worked out our trading idea. There was a plan to buy after a breakout on the 4-hour chart. A rise totaled 200 pips. Curiously, the trading instrument is still gaining value. This is why it has every chance to reach new highs. The Australian dollar also continues climbing. The main target is located at 0.69. It is a good idea to open long positions as the upward momentum is really strong. As for the dollar-yen pair, I have already provided traders with an interesting trading idea. There are two swing points where it's possible to go short. Information from the United States that will be disclosed tomorrow is likely to clear up the situation with the trading instrument. At present, the pair is hovering around the swing high. Silver prices entered the formation of the giant three-wave structure that was under formation for 4 years. That's all I wanted to tell you today. That's for watching. See you again soon.